cinema is still sparing you to look at that, which we have started realizing in the film. In the society, we have started realizing it. And I wish, let the cinema come in and barge into it and tell you this is what you are. It's not a Bible writing ADD. The moral से भरी हुई होगी, cinema will teach us good values and cinema will teach us values to live and morals to carry. Cinema is not meant for that. If you are looking at cinema as a Bible, it will tell us good rules to live and good rules, then you are mistaken. It's not a Bible.
I mean, how do you look at where we are as a society? You know, there seems to be a movement. There seems to be a blow up of sorts. How do you look at it? And you know, and being a woman in that world, and being a woman from the creative business.
I feel today the most important thing is for women to talk and for men to listen. I think a lot of dialogue gets lost because one is just talking and the other is talking over you, which is what mansplaining is, which is what you know, people talking down to you, and we've all faced that. But I think today, because so many women are coming out with their stories, I think it's time to just listen to these women for the men, because there are a multitude of very decent men whom we've all met, we've all worked with, but there are some who probably do not understand the difference between what constitutes acceptable behavior and what is normalizing something which is traumatic to a woman. So I think right now is the time to just listen and to try and understand and to change, create a kind of paradigm shift in the workplace environment, in the relationships between men and women, and to try and understand what is right and wrong and course correct. So that I feel is very important. And also, like Sir said, absolutely the film industry is not no one is claiming that the film industry is this you know, holds a moral compass for the world. We are reflecting what is happening in society. It's just that we are a lot more visible, and there is a lot more accountability because of that visibility. And that said, I think maybe it's a good thing that we are going to be the leaders to tell the world of maybe a change in you know, man-woman relationships in the workplace, and to create something which will be more harmonious and work together, because at the end of the day what we are doing is creating art, and through this art maybe find a way to express ourselves better.
Gulzar Saab, as someone who's watched the industry evolve, as someone who's watched just how the creative business has changed, do you feel, are you more hopeful about where we're headed and positive about the kind of writing, the kind of characters that are being created now, the kind of stories that are being told, or do you feel that in some ways we've regressed? I mean, is there space for stories like Ijazat? Is there space for, or do you feel that we're in a different time now?
No, I think Ijazat is an old film now. Even that relationship looks old. Today, I mean, it was made in those times when it was ahead of time, that one could see, one could show relationships like this. Today it's gone in the films. We are telling it, we are talking. It's an old time story actually. And today I'm hopeful, and I'm seeing more the cinema and the society in a whole also improving on it. We still, अगर if we want to live, क्या आजकल के देखो बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं, तो ये तो गौतम बुद्ध के ज़माने में भी कहते थे. It was said at that time also. देखिए आजकल के ये नौजवान और ये क्या, it was said at that time also. And if you want to say that, I think society has to change, or I should say, अगर आपका रहन सहन, खाना पीना, पहनना, उठना, बैठना, चलना, दौड़ना, गिरफ्तार बदल गई है, तो आपका कल्चर नहीं बदलेगा. वही तो कल्चर है. अगर कल्चर बदला है तो आपकी ज़बान भी बदलेगी और आपकी बात भी बदलेगी. तो बदलेगी क्यों नहीं? आप अगर अभी तक इजाज़त की तरफ और आली की तरफ देखेंगे, जो जब आप पैदा ही नहीं हुए थे, इनमें से कोई भी नहीं था, सीन भी नहीं था कोई उस ज़माने की, तो फिर आप रुके हुए हैं बहुत पीछे अभी,
But Gulzar
आप
sahab,
बहुत पीछे की बात कर रहे हैं. देखिए आज अब आप घुमा के अगर हम फिर वो मंदिर मस्जिद पे आ गए फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मेरा ख्याल है एक तो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को कॉम्प्लीमेंट करता हूँ एंड सेकंड सर्विसेज. दीज आर द ओनली टू पार्ट्स ऑफ आवर सोसाइटी आर मोस्ट सेक्युलर, जहाँ कभी हिंदू मुसलमान का सवाल ही नहीं पैदा होता. इट इज द फिल्म एंड इट इज द सर्विसेज. बाकी सब जगह वो आप these are high bright things in our times, and cinema is progressing, and cinema is progressing with it because it is reflecting you more. It has more liberty of expression. पहले से ज्यादा है ना, तो उसमें बुरी बात पुराने जमाने को क्यों जाना चाहते हैं आप? वही आपको गाने आजकल के देखिए जी, ये क्या गाने रह गए हैं. आप भी गोरा गोरांग ले लिखते थे, अब आप लिखते हैं बीड़ी जलाई लीजिए घर से. लुक एट योर एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ लाइफ, इट हैज चेंज टोटली. मैं वो पीपल की छांव में बैठना और भुट्टे भूनना और ठंडी हवा में लेटे रहना, तो भाई भुट्टे और पीपल की छांव में जाके चारपाई डालो, बैठ जाओ. बट टुडे यू आर रशिंग विद लाइफ. आपको रास्ते पर रुक के भाई 2 बर्गर बांध के दो, जल्दी से मैं आता हूँ सामने से लेके, है ना. योर पेस ऑफ लाइफ इज चेंजिंग, योर म्यूजिक हैज टू चेंज. इट्स नॉट ओनली लैंग्वेज, your dialect has changed, your language of everyday life. अब हर बात में डैम इट तो हर बात में डैम सुनते हैं. किसी जमाने में बहुत बुरा लफ्ज समझा जाता है ना. किसी को कह देना कि यू आर मीन, आज तो माँ को भी कहते हैं मम्मा यू आर वेरी मीन, है ना, कहते हैं ना. तो आपके लफ्जों में मानी बदल गए, तो म्यूजिक क्यों नहीं बदलेगा आपका? हाँ, अगर आप नहीं बदलना चाहते तो फिर आप गुनगुनाइए वही मोरा गोरा ले लेना. It's up to you. It's your choice. So don't. I look at it. I'm very happy to meet this generation, which I feel is a bright, one-to-one, transparent generation. We've never had it like this. It was never there, such a transparent generation, and honest, absolute honest. वो कोई लिहाज नहीं करते. सर 1-to-1 स्ट्रेट बात करते हैं. वो माँ बाप से भी ऐसी बात करते हैं. अच्छी बात है. These are good things.
You're being very modest. We saw Ibas a few years ago at the festival, still released. 20 years ago, you made it, Gulzar sahab? More than that.
26 साल 28 साल तो हो गए.
And one can only imagine how ahead of its time it would have been then, because it still feels extremely relevant.
देखिए फिल्में कई नहीं चलती, कई बंद पड़ जाती हैं, कई रह जाती हैं जो रिलीज ही नहीं हुई, लोग उन्हें याद नहीं रखते. लिबास लोगों को याद रही है, नॉट फॉर मी, वो याद रही है R.D. बर्मन की वजह से. R.D. बर्मन्स म्यूजिक हैज केप्ट इट अलाइव टिल डेट.
But Gulzar sahab, that's because people haven't seen the film.
नहीं, हम भी थे साथ में, लेकिन इट वाज R.D. बर्मन. अरे
बहुत बढ़िया.
उनसे कहिए अब गवर्नमेंट ही आपकी थकी हुई हो अगर, वो तो क्या करें. सरकार के पास पैनोरामा वाला के पास प्रिंट है, उन्होंने एक फेस्टिवल में रिलीज कर दी थी अब 26 साल के बाद, है ना. और
वहीं पे देखिए
उन्होंने केस कर दिया गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर. तो अब गवर्नमेंट वो पैनोरामा, मतलब अगर वो भी डरे रहेंगे तो हम तो वैसे ही डरे हुए. इधर उधर की बातों में आ गए, वो राजीव करते हैं.
I'll let you have the last one. You know, when you feel like you have a mentor like Gulzar sahab, when you have the advantage of being able to, you know, give him a manuscript to read, when you give him a book to read, does it, you know, is that the ambition? I mean, do you sort of, you know, what do you feel like? How much richer do you feel like you've become by just the access to his wisdom?
So I was telling sir just now, about an hour ago, that I don't feel this is real. I feel like I'm in a dream, because all my life I cannot write like anybody else. I cannot aspire to write like you. I can only write like myself. But what I aspire is the purity that he brings to his craft. Because when I see him in his room, surrounded by books, and I see him lost, I know the joy that he must be experiencing, and I want that joy. So to have him here with me today, and for all the wonderful things that he said about me, I think I don't want to wake up from this dream at all. I just want
Here too, beta, we are all, both of us are surrounded by books. See, there are books all around.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Gurdas.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. It's a wonderful book. It's now out. Anon.
Best of luck.
Thank you.
Best of luck, and thanks to the bookshop, and thank you for the people who organized it, and thanks for the editor. She's there quietly sitting there, and she was the editor of the book. And congratulations to the author and all those who have helped and who are there for this evening.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you to all of you.
I request you all to join us for tea and coffee at the foyer. Yes, at the foyer. Yes. Sorry. Before that, I'd request my colleague Neeraj to please give a word of thanks.
Good evening, everyone.